Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for a chicken casserole, and this recipe was requested by Miss Vanessa Ramuta of the band Fusion. So to make this, it's going to be very simple. We're going to start with one chicken breast, and we're going to go with some Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning or any all-purpose seasoning you like. Season both sides, and you're going to take your fingers and you're going to massage that seasoning into the chicken breast. Now you can cut this up into cubes if you wanted and skip this process. I'm going in with some CGA chili infused coconut oil, and I'm adding in that chicken breast. Now I'm going to sear the chicken breast on both sides until it has a nice golden brown color. Once the first side is brown, flip it and sear the other side. Once it's finished, you want to take it out and cut it up into small cubes. Return the chicken to the pot and then go in with some chopped vegetables. I'm using broccoli and red onion here, and I'm going in with some more of that all-purpose seasoning. You want to cook this for about 1 minute. Then we're going to go in with 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Now if you did not want to use this, you can use some Alfredo sauce, the jar Alfredo sauce. That works really great for this also. And guys, I wanted to tell you that you can use any type of vegetables you like in this. In goes some pasta and cheese, and we're going to mix that to combine. Once properly mixed, empty it into your baking dish. And then top it with your cheese. This goes into your oven to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until it's brown and bubbly. After it's finished, all you have to do is serve. So Vanessa and everyone else, I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know. Thank you so much for the request. Remember to leave future requests in the comment section. Thank you guys again so much, and I'll see you in my next video.